On to the final stage with the chicken and ham pie. So I've got my stock. Actually, if you see, look, it has cooled, so it's a little bit thicker, but it's still fluid, which is quite important. And then I've got this really little neat. This is really for turkey basting and stuff. And you just literally make it, or you can go for the center hole, and then you just push the syringe down. Let's go into the meat. We just fill it a little bit. Now obviously that's full there. What I've been doing with the bigger one, I've just gone round the edge and filled. So I've actually done, I think this is nearly 2 fluid ounces. I've done 4 fluid ounces around the edge. I actually think that's probably enough. So we're going to see what happens with that, and then I'm going to let it cool a bit more and then try some more when that's solidified. So it will go back in the fridge when I've finished going around the edge of the other one. So that's it. So chicken and ham pie.